Hi there, I'm Garen Schmittner. I'm the head of sound department. If you follow me into here, this is our sound booth. Starting off, we have the sound board where you control how loud music and incoming sounds can be and how loud they go out. Over here is the tower. This is where everything is housed. Signals come in from an input. They go through the board, through cables into the tower. The tower leads them out to the outside speakers in the auditorium. Following that, coming up to here, we have an array of CD and DVD players. Those are just inputs if you have to use that for a show. And then microphones. You have your microphone setups or the box. That way when you have a microphone, such as this, they too connect and you can speak out to your audience. So over on my right is our shelves with storing all of our cables, batteries and such, all of our sound equipment. What we have here is called an XLR cable. This is usually used for microphones and also just connecting to any certain parts on the stage. It's just an easy way to transfer sound through the cable. This right here is what we call our small snake. If I open it, has all these pins and they connect to the main array, which go to the soundboard and the tower to connect to the rest of the theater. Down here is our big snake. Very similar thing. This one just does the inputs for the left and right main outputs, whereas the small snake would do auxes. All right, so working the soundboard. So you have an array of faders here going from 1 to 24. On the back, you have inputs of 1 to 24. Additionally, auxes up here with your auxes down here. So let's say, for example, I had an input on number 1. You would want your main fader at U, or actually whatever level you need. That controls all of the sound collectively coming through the soundboard. And if I wanted an input coming through 1, I'd choose the level I wanted at and unmute it to play something. When you want to mute it back, you just press that again, and when they're all red, that means that that channel is muted. Coming up to your auxes, for us, we use them for monitors, which are basically just speakers that can go on the stage or wherever they can connect to. And the only way to do this is your volume for them, for how loud you want it. And then what's coming into them, you press mix and you mix which numbers you want. So up here is 1 through 24 again, and that's 1 through 24 on your inputs. So if I wanted sound coming through channel 1, you would turn this up and it would turn up the sound coming through 1.
Got it.
All right, so starting off here, turning on the mic, you press and hold the power button, and then down here, below all your mics, we have a power strip to turn them on, power them up. Once they're loaded up and saying they're good, this ready sign means this number is connected. On here, it says 1, 1. Additionally, on the mic, if it's seen, it also says 1, 1. That is your group in your channel. They're all under their own, so we'll have 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, etc. for which mic it is. If we go back to the soundboard, the auditorium is being used, but we can mix it into here with the monitor down below. And go into mix pan. If I turn that one down and I want to use this microphone, I turn that all the way up, turn that to my setting, and unmute number. Alright, so you will see these panels around the stage. It says ICA or ICB. That means intercom A or intercom B. Those are two separate channels. So if you have a show going on and you want maybe lights on one channel and sound on another, you can put them on separate channels. All you have to do is, there's the pins coming out here and the holes to connect them to. Push it in and you'll hear a small click. Going back over to here, we have the other end of that cable right here with the pins and then the inputs for what is our ClearComm box. All you have to do there, again, insert it, you'll hear a small click, And now you have these. Also with the headset, that just goes where it says headset. You push it in, and you heard it go in. So now, talking through it, you have your speaker here and your microphone there. You have volume right here, so if you want to control your volume during a show, and you press this to talk. If you press it twice, it stays on, and whatever I'm saying goes through, but if you only press it and hold it, it only says what I'm doing. Additionally, there's this call button, and it makes a small beeping sound. Let's see if I can turn that up for you. All right, it's not making it, it's probably hard to hear, but this light goes on when you press it, and it's just an easy way to call for attention during a show. So additionally, up in the booth here, we have also intercoms. They're on hand phones, and same deal, you have the call button and the talk button. This one you only have to press to be able to talk, and then you press it when you want to go off. You can see the channel select here. Currently we're on A. If I wanted to go B, you do that, and once again, your volume. Okay, yeah. All right, so now that you can hear it, we're just gonna press this, the talk button, and press and hold this. And now you should be able to hear me through the intercom. And that's just how you hear it through intercoms, how they sound and work.